Yes, this is IDFC first chart, and you can see it was what we can see on the chart is it was listed in November 2015. From there, it went little higher to 83 rupees, and from there, we are seeing a downtrend. Okay, so if I make a sloping trend line, this is the line. Okay, so see how beautifully it respected the levels from here. This was the first time, then the second time around 70. Okay, this was the third time, then this was the fourth time. So you can see how beautiful this level is respected, this line is respected. Okay, now I zoom in for you. uh, Look at it. We gave a breakout on 5th of Jan. Okay, here at 40 rupees, and from there the stock has given us fantastic returns from 40 to almost 70, that is 75%. Okay, now what has happened? Okay, this was the past performance of the stock. This 70 level is respected again over here. Okay, you see this, it is respected again. In fact, I would say this level, this is 56 around. Okay, this level is respected. If I show you, just see this. From here we made a base and then we are going higher. I will show you on a lower time frame now what is happening. On a higher time frame, the pattern is the cup and handle. Okay, a prominent accumulation pattern, that is cup and handle. This is a very beautiful pattern from here all the way till here, and then we have not made the complete handle and we have not broken, but I am assuming that yes, we are going to do it. Okay, and started making little positions. So on a lower time frame, what it is, see this, it made a built up, broken again, it paused, broke. Then you see we made an deadliest pattern, uh, that is head and shoulder pattern, and we broke. We went sideways again, we went high. Okay, so and this chart is also respecting this trend line. You can see this first time, second time, third time, fourth, fifth. So this line also goes very important for us. And this triangle's top was 61.70. Okay, 62 we can take it. Okay, and from here only the price has shown a retracement, a fall from this, respecting this line. Again here also you can see a cup, a big cup. Okay, a rounding bottom and an handle. Whenever we break 61, the first target goes to 70. If you see the target of this cup, it is showing us that it will break 70. Okay, the prices, the targets are coming much above 70. This is IDFC first. Okay, and where the stop we should keep. So the current market price for entry is good enough, and the stop should be this 57.25. Okay, the neckline was 57 and a half. We will keep below that. Okay, and a good green candles low. This, okay, this should be our stop loss. And the current price is also good. You can pyramid once it goes higher to 61 and 62. You can pyramid also. Yeah, this is IDFC first.